Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Varteta Learning Platform, and today we are going to discuss about the arrays, how to declare them and how to use them, how to access the elements in an array. So in the previous video we discussed like it's a user defined data type, it's not an inbuilt data type. Please remember this. If this is asked in any of the interviews, you must need to remember that it's a user defined data type, it's not an inbuilt type. And why it is a user defined data type, I have told you in the previous video. Let's see how to declare one-dimensional array. Today we'll discuss about the one-dimensional, and the next video we'll see that how to declare a two-dimensional array. So I'm just going to write a function here, function array declaration declaration. This is the function. Here I will write some code and then I will call this function here to demonstrate that how it can be used. Let me just clear this so that we can run it. Okay. So let me show you that how many ways we can declare an array. So the first way is using the subscript operator, right? This is the subscript operator. So how to do that for the single dimensional array? Suppose we have to declare an array of 5 elements and which should be numbers. So we can declare it like let a number and then array. Just a minute. Okay, this subscript operator, if you write this subscript operator, then it means that you are going to declare an array. And now here write like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so these are the 6 elements. In fact, we need to make it 5 only. So this is first method. Again, rather than using let, you can use the where as well. Okay, so that is not an issue. So let or where, we have discussed it earlier. And there is another way, using the standard array type. How to do that? Suppose we have to declare an array, then we can write like this, let b, and then write array like this way. And what it array will contain? It will contain the numbers. Okay. Now again, let me write like 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. So these are the two ways you can declare the arrays. Okay. Now let me show you how to use them, how to access them. Suppose I have to print all the elements of this array A. So using the iterative approach, so you can write like for let A, or you can say like let's see number, because already we have taken A. So let's see number in A. So here C is a variable. C is declared, never used. Okay, it will be used. So C is a variable which we have declared here, and in this C we are going to use the values which are in A. We are going to iterate the values which are in A, and then we will simply print them. So it will be like console.log and then A and then C. So let us run this. So this is the command to compile it, tsc testscript.cs. So there is one error. Let me see what is the error. The left hand side of for instance cannot use a type and notation. Okay, so you need to do something like this. Let's see in A, and now let's see. This cannot be used. Please remember this. So let me just compile it. Now let me run it. It should be node, yes. Okay, so you can see like 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you have to write the name of the array, and then C will contain the indexing. Okay, C will contain the indexing of the array. So in this C, it will come like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And using the A, using the name, we will be putting like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in each of the iteration, and that is why it is printing like this. So I hope you understand that how to use it. It's not like directly the 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 you will be able to print using the C. sometimes it can be asked, please be very cautious. If you write like this and then you try to do something like this, I'm just going to compile it using the TSC and then I'm going to run it. Let me run it now. You can see like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 has been printed, and these are not the elements in this A. These are the index of these elements. These are just the indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if for an array, if you do something like this in TypeScript, let's see in A, in that case, if you print it, it is not going to print the actual elements, rather it's only printing the index, separate index of the array. So this is not the correct way of printing the values of an array. If you have to print the value of an array AC, you need to write like something like this. So then it will work. Okay, so this is one method. The other method is a very known, famous method of for loop. So for, you can write like this, let d number is equal to 0, d smaller than, you can say like a dot length, and then d plus plus. And then you can simply write like this. Let us print the values in B. So it will be like B and D. Okay. So now here I'm going to print the values which are inside B. Right. So this is the way we can use. So let me run it. So there are two ways you can iterate. So all the two ways I have showed you. Now let's run it. Okay. So you can see like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and after that 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. This has printed the array elements from B. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Please like, subscribe my channel, and please share the videos with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day, and bye bye. We'll meet soon in the next video.